Introducing to you DALLERY'S CHETT. It's a 2-year, 1-month-old male border collie. Chet will be auctioned under the Australian Working Stock Dog auction system. Bidding will close 6 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time on the 10th of December. This is your opportunity to secure a well-started young dog. Chet is showing a lot of potential. Chet is a very natural and has great cover on his stock. He's very biddable, very well bred. He will bite the nose, front foot and back legs on cattle. He will go to work all day in some pretty hilly country. He's worked cows and calves, sheep, goats and ducks. He's a lovely dog to have around, ride on the ute and bike, great with kids and other dogs. He will work for anyone. In this video you see Chet drawing the cattle from down the paddock. He's obviously a bit closer now, and we're just putting these young weaners through a gateway. He has a great stop and sides and call off. This dog has all the breeding you would want, including MISR Zane, Woodford Jack, Munns Tuff, Craiglea Ruby and Craiglea Seth. Chet has been trained by Nathan Brown from a young pup in a work environment. He has a very friendly nature. He has excellent camp manners, no bark and no injuries. What you see in the videos is his natural style in the paddock. He has a very good stop, sides and call off. Please contact Nathan Brown on 0473 878 144 for any further inquiries. Here Chet shows his ability to adapt to different working environments, not only the work at home with cows and calves and sheep and weaner breaking, but he can also show his ability in the trial arena. He has recently taken out a couple of placings and most recently a win at a trial. Very capable young dog.